Seattle, Washington, Riverside Skate Park. Are you ready, viewer, to enter into another dimension? This was the love project from Mark, Hubbard, and Grindline, aka Monk. And this is basically started off as one big round snake run with two crosses in the middle. Needs a little sweep in there. I'm gonna get on top. Are you ready, dear viewer? Be careful, camera shake. Sorry about that. Here, up top. So you can see it goes all the way around. There's a little tribute to Monk, founder of Grindline, who passed away sadly in 2018. And dear viewer, this is more than just a skate park. Is it a DIY that happens to be public? Sanctioned DIY? Is this a sculpture that happens to be skatable, or is it a skate park that's also a work of art, a sculpture? Well, it's all of those, really. Did some cursory research on this and skate parks in Seattle and went down a rabbit hole of Mark Hubbard stuff, and this was his vision, quite literally, to be a portal into another dimension. This is a work of art. This is something that should be in a historical, I'm going to try to get down here, like historical register or something. I don't know how he got away with this in this middle of the spot. It's a great use of the spot, though. Let's go through another portal. And I don't know if all these doorways, if they face exactly east, west, north, south, to the gods and goddesses of fire, earth, water. Wait, fire, earth, water. What am I missing? Wind, air. Nice graffiti. And look at all this DIY stuff on the outside. I had no idea there was so much stuff here. Look at that. There's the entrance. Another way to enter the portal. These humps and bumps and banks to curbs. And look at this. Ready? Here's what you'll find in the next dimension. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no other skate park like this. Look at that. Look at that graffiti art. Just brilliant. Hot dog. Yeah. River City Skate Park. What, like early 2000s ish? Is that when it was first built? And did he have permission, or did he just go get some friends together and start building it? I don't know, man. This place is brilliant. There's no other skate park like this in the world. I'm so glad I made the stop, and I'm so glad that it's not raining, because that was in the weather. But the gods and goddesses were looking upon me today, and they decided to give me a little break from the rain. I'm in Seattle for a brief time. Maybe bring a broom, but I'm traveling, so I couldn't. Let's end here. Monk, skate park designer, builder. Rest in power.